Let's go with ultra wide actually first.
Fatality.
God damn it, I managed to drop it. Samsung call center or visit samsung.com for further assistance for your safety. Huh, I wonder why would it be saying fragile? Let's see. Okay, so far nothing really screams anything. Okay, let's try opening it. Ooh. That's exciting. Official Samsung Galaxy Note 7 lens cover. Black. Why there's 3 serial numbers? Why is there 3 of them? Also, why is there serial numbers on lenses? Why? So, as you can see, I got a Note 7 case and stuff like that. So I need a Note 7, don't I? Let's grab one from here. Let's take it out of the case because I have usually keeping cases on like these rare nuggets. Put it on charge for now. And let's open it. Okay, the seal is broken. Sad. But what do we have? We have the case itself. With the peel still, by the way. A quick start guide. Let's see what this quick start guide has to offer. Quick start guide. ETCN 930. It's a phone book for mice. That's what it is. Phone book for mice. And also nothing really gets me interesting information on it. But kind of cool to have the original documentation still with it. Put it back. I know a bunch of people got angry. There you go. Happy? Now it's the right way. There's this thing, and also there's this thing. Let's get into what this is and what they will do. Again, this is just a quick thing. I'll make a video explaining in more detail what these are. This one specifically is a telephoto lens, so you can apparently zoom with this lens. It's very nice glass though. Like Samsung did not say no for quality. Oh, that's cool. It becomes one unibody thing or 2 different lenses. Let's try. Ooh. Samsung kind of cooked with this design. It's like a big blob of thing, or when you take it out, it's still a lens cap, just in case so you don't actually damage the lens itself. That's cool. I really can kind of see how it. Oh, it is wider. It is surely wider. What about the telly? What does telly tell me? Yeah, telly does telly. Okay, let's take the cap out just so we can actually appreciate the caps on lenses so I don't damage it. And let's get, yes, quiet, and officially you can see it says Galaxy Note 7 on it. Let's put this in and let's actually turn on the phone, because we can't really do anything if we don't start the phone. Hey, we're finally connected. We finally have setup, sort of. Okay, there you go, finally. Let's take a photo in just... Let's just take a photo as is on... Let's start with taking a photo of the Motorola. And the table. And a new one. The dragon. Because why not? Okay, so that's just with the phone camera. Let's go with ultra wide actually first.
Fatality.
God damn it, I managed to drop it. I Linused it. Damn it. Oh, it actually is an ultra wide. It's not like some kind of marketing thing. Oh, you can like actually do macro shots. Oh, that's actually cool. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Just at the table. So shut up. Shush. And the final lens, I would say, let's try putting the tele lens. Shush. I don't know how good of a zoom it is. I'm letting you guys see first, and I have no idea how good it is. Only can see an edge of the screen. Oh, that's so weird. Oh, that's so weird. Okay, let's get back to the... Oh, this it needs some... Didn't expect to have such a good... Ooh, the fact that I can zoom in to ATA. Imagine having this type of zoom back in the day, like 2016. That's an insane zoom amount back in 2016, that is. Oh, that's cool. That's very cool. And the fact that you can just... Oh, I don't want zoom anymore. I want ultra wide now. Let me put an ultra wide, and I'll have an ultra wide. That's actually cool. Very cool. I like it a lot. You're not able to take such a photos back on a normal phone, because the normal phone doesn't have this amount of lenses, so you wouldn't be able to take this type of photo. I don't know. I don't regret buying this. It's totally worth the 20 bucks I paid for this. That's so cool. The empire of boxes. That's cool. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the quick look at the Samsung answer for having removable lenses. And before ultrawide did exist on the phone, they decided to put the ultrawide anyways on the phone. I actually wonder, how does this compare to let's say how much times it zooms in. High grade tele, but how much of tele is this? It doesn't tell. It doesn't tell. Okay. Okay, I guess I need to have a quick start guide. I'm just... Yeah. As your safety is our number priority, we urge you to stop using your Galaxy Note 7 and contact your place of purchase, Samsung call center, or visit samsung.com for further assistance. Yeah. Any inconveniences. French. I don't need French. It's a phone book for mice. Genuinely. Also, it's just like... Ooh! Hello. Wait, hold on a second. Is the flash not gonna... in the thing it says unable to on. But where is the thing about like how much it zooms in? It doesn't tell. It doesn't say. Let's see. So Samsung. Okay, so the telephoto is around 2 to 3 times zoom, so it'd be around the same as this A series. So that would be a fun video to compare. And then I have an idea. What if I put an S23 Ultra behind these lens covers, using good glass with good camera? The ultra wide lens is just ultra wide, so I guess it's 0.5 equivalent to. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, you liked it. If you didn't like it, you didn't like it, whatever. Why am I doing an outro? I have no idea when I have already an outro built in to my videos. Anyway, see you next time.
Thank you for watching to the end of the video. Next on, whatever YouTube thinks is important. And here, you can subscribe, or you can scroll down for more information, like our link tree, or Discord server, or whatever we think important to you to see.